Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide.
For Chevy's 2002 to 2009 Trailblazer.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift your vehicle, then uninstall the spare tire and spare tire holder. Step 3. Cut off the factory spare tire crossmember. You will need to make cuts on both the inside and outside of the frame rails. Once the crossmember is removed, grind away any rust and debris in the work area, revealing bare metal. Step 4. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer. This crossmember includes frame support rings that can be mounted both inside and outside the frame rails if needed. Slide the crossmember into the holes in the frame rail, starting with the passenger side. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the crossmember in place prior to welding all edges fully. Weld on the included spare tire mounts. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall the spare tire holder and spare tire, then lower your vehicle. Now, get back out on the road.